Hey there, health explorers! Have you ever heard of Candida? Imagine your body as a bustling city, and Candida is one of the tiny citizens living there. Usually Candida is a friendly neighbor, but sometimes it can get a bit out of control and cause some problems. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Candida and see how it works in our body city. What is Candida? Candida is a type of yeast, a fungus, that naturally lives in small amounts in places like your mouth, gut, and skin. It's usually harmless and kept in check by your immune system and the good bacteria in your body. However, when there's an imbalance, Candida can grow out of control, leading to an infection known as candidiasis. This can cause various symptoms depending on where it occurs, such as oral thrush, yeast infections, or even digestive issues. Why does this happen? Candida overgrowth can happen for several reasons. 1. Antibiotics use. Antibiotics can kill off the good bacteria in your body that keep Candida in check, allowing it to grow unchecked. 2. Diet. A diet high in sugar and refined carbs can feed Candida, promoting its growth. 3. Weakened immune system. If your immune system is compromised due to illness or medication, Candida can take advantage and multiply. 4. Hormonal changes. Hormonal fluctuations, such as those caused by pregnancy, birth control pills, or hormone replacement therapy, can also contribute to Candida overgrowth. 5. Stress. High stress levels can weaken your immune system, making it easier for Candida to grow. How can you tell if you have a Candida overgrowth? The symptoms of Candida overgrowth can vary depending on where it occurs in your body. Some common signs include 1. Oral thrush, white patches on the tongue, inner cheeks, roof of the mouth, and throat. 2. Yeast infections, itching, redness, and discharge in the genital area. 3. Digestive issues, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. 4. Skin infections, red itchy rashes, often in warm, moist areas like the armpits or groin. 5. Fatigue, feeling unusually tired or fatigued. 6. Sinus infections, chronic sinus problems without a clear cause. Now we're diving into a common yet often misunderstood issue: Candida overgrowth. This fungal imbalance can wreak havoc on your health, but fear not. We've curated 7 effective steps to help you treat Candida and regain balance in your body. Let's begin. 1. Identify triggers. Overgrowth of Candida can be triggered by various factors, including diet, stress, medications, and lifestyle habits. Start by evaluating your diet. High sugar intake, refined carbohydrates, and processed foods can feed Candida, leading to overgrowth. Additionally, frequent antibiotic use can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut, allowing Candida to thrive. Chronic stress weakens the immune system, making it harder for your body to control Candida. Identify these triggers in your life to create a personalized plan for combating Candida. 2. Anti-Candida diet. An anti-Candida diet is a crucial part of treatment. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods while avoiding sugar and refined carbs. Incorporate plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. These foods support your immune system and help restore balance in your gut. Limiting sugar and alcohol is particularly important, as they can fuel Candida growth. Consider adding anti-fungal foods like coconut oil, garlic, and oregano to your meals to stop Candida overgrowth. 3. Probiotics and prebiotics. Restore gut balance by incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into your daily routine. Probiotics introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut, which can help combat Candida overgrowth. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are excellent sources of probiotics. Prebiotics, found in foods like bananas, onions, garlic, and asparagus, nourish these beneficial bacteria, promoting their growth and activity. Consider taking probiotic supplements for an extra boost in gut health. 4. Herbal allies. Several herbs have anti-fungal properties that can help combat Candida overgrowth. Berberine, derived from plants like golden seal and barberry, has been shown to inhibit Candida growth. Pau, a South American herb, is another powerful antifungal agent. Caprylic acid, found in coconut oil, is known for its ability to penetrate Candida cell membranes and disrupt their growth. Incorporate these herbs into your diet, or consider taking them in supplement form to support your Candida treatment plan. 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system and exacerbate Candida overgrowth. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. Adequate sleep is also crucial for immune function and overall well-being. Set aside time for relaxation and self-care to reduce stress levels and support your body's natural ability to combat Candida. 6. Detoxify and cleanse. Support your body's detoxification pathways to eliminate toxins and waste products produced by Candida. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water to flush out toxins. Consider incorporating detoxifying supplements like milk thistle, dandelion root, and activated charcoal, which can aid in liver detoxification and toxin elimination. Dry brushing or gentle exercise can also help stimulate lymphatic drainage, further aiding in toxin removal. 7. Lifestyle optimization. Optimize your lifestyle to promote long-term Candida control. Maintain a balanced diet rich in nutrients and low in sugar and processed foods. Engage in regular exercise to support overall health and immune function. Limit alcohol consumption and avoid smoking, as they can contribute to Candida overgrowth. Embrace mindful practices such as meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature to reduce stress and promote well-being. There you have it. 7 essential steps to combat Candida and restore balance to your body. Remember, consistency and patience are key on your healing journey. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay proactive in your wellness journey and thrive.